Okay, so I picked up this motorcycle jack, scissor jack, for I think it's about 85 New Zealand dollars, so that's about probably 50 US. They're on Amazon as well, and fairly good reviews on Amazon. I think it was like 4.5 out of 5, so that's pretty good for Amazon. Probably like the fussiest buyers in the world on there. So comes with this little thing here to lift it, and also these here. I didn't put these on because I didn't know if they'll fit underneath. They might actually. Maybe put something on here like a piece of carpet would be good. This isn't super wide, which actually I think is a good thing. This way it's not that wide because it's easier to find a place to put it. My jack, my stand, sorry, is kind of towards the front, so it gives me enough space to put it at the front. There was some people saying on Amazon about the threads stripping out on these, but some guy on a video I seen said that's probably from using an impact wrench. But yeah, I think that may be for that. So I guess I'll give you a demonstration. It's a lot sturdier than I expected, although it's probably a good idea to tie it down, strap it down somehow, just for that extra security, I guess. But you just slide it underneath. Hopefully I can get my camera. Slide it underneath. Start doing it, raising it. And then once you start to touch the bite, you kind of pull it back, stand it up straight. It's actually a lot easier than you think because this kind of keeps it in place. But if you're not comfortable with that, get someone to hold it up for you. But I'll show you. Yikes. And so just got the front wheel lifted. Be careful off the ground. Only just, but seems pretty stable, to be honest. More than I was expecting, and yeah, it's quite stable. But I'm still going to probably try to strap it down. I think that's the best thing to do, somehow. But yeah, it seems like it'll do the trick. The thing I like about it is it's doesn't take up any space, so, and I probably won't use it that much, to be honest. Just got a flat tire, so I'm going to have to take the front wheel off. So as I was doing that, this nut actually came off, so it may be a good idea to put some Loctite or get lock nuts for it, just to keep it in place. But yeah, pretty happy so far.